Ever wondered how many types of bears roam the wild expanses of North America? Well, this continent is home to a fascinating variety of these majestic creatures, each with their unique features and habitats. First, let's talk about black bears, known as the most common bear species in North America. These bears can be found all across the continent, from the northern reaches of Alaska and Canada to the mountainous regions of Mexico. They're easily identified by their medium size and their black or sometimes cinnamon-colored fur. Then we have the grizzly bears, close cousins to the black bears but distinctively larger and more powerful. They sport a hump on their shoulders and have a brown fur that can range from dark brown to nearly blonde. Grizzlies primarily inhabit the western and northern parts of the continent, with a particular concentration in Alaska. Polar bears, the giants of the north, are exclusive to the Arctic regions. They're the largest of all bear species and are perfectly adapted to survive in the harsh, icy conditions of their habitat. Their thick white fur and a layer of blubber help them stay warm, while their wide, large paws facilitate movement on the snow. Finally, we have the brown bears, often confused with grizzlies due to their similar appearance. Brown bears are slightly larger and are known for their distinctive hump and long claws. They're found along the coastlines of Alaska and western Canada, where they feast on a rich diet of salmon. Each of these bear species plays a vital role in their respective ecosystems. They're not only top predators but also scavengers, helping to keep the environment clean by consuming carrion. Their habits and behaviors are as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit, making them truly fascinating subjects of study. So, from the forest-dwelling black bears, the powerful grizzlies, the Arctic-adapted polar bears, to the coastal brown bears, the bear family in North America is a diverse and captivating one. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating lives of these majestic creatures. You might be surprised to realize just how diverse the habitats of these bears can be. Imagine a polar bear, its snow-white fur stark against the icy, barren landscape of the Arctic tundra. Its body, built for endurance and equipped with a thick layer of insulating fat, is perfectly suited to this extreme cold. Now picture a grizzly bear. It resides in the dense forests and mountainous regions of North America, its powerful physique allowing it to traverse rugged terrain with ease. The forest provides ample cover and a bounty of berries, roots and small mammals for the grizzly to feast upon. The black bear, on the other hand, is a master of adaptation. It thrives in a variety of habitats, from swamps to forests and even suburban backyards. Its omnivorous diet and climbing skills make it a versatile resident. These habitats shape the behaviors and lifestyles of each bear species, highlighting the incredible adaptability of these magnificent creatures. Now, aren't you intrigued to know what these magnificent creatures feast on? Contrary to popular belief, bears eat a lot more than just honey. These magnificent creatures are actually omnivores, which means their diet is far more diverse than what we often imagine. From the grizzly to the black bear, these North American natives have a strong appetite for a variety of foods. In fact, the bulk of a bear's diet consists of plants, including a wide array of berries, nuts, and leaves. But when the opportunity arises, they won't hesitate to feast on fish, small mammals, and carrion. And yes, they do have a sweet tooth for honey, but it's just one of many items on their menu. Their diet also changes with the seasons. In the spring, they munch on fresh shoots and leaves. Summer brings a bounty of berries and fish, while autumn's acorns and nuts provide much-needed fat stores for the long winter hibernation. Next, we explore the sometimes tense encounters between these wild creatures and us humans. Have you ever wondered how often bears and humans cross paths in North America? It's a question that might surprise you with its complexity. You see, human-bear encounters are more frequent than you might think, and they're not always as dramatic as the movies make them out to be. In the vast wilderness of North America, humans often stumble into bear territory while hiking, camping, or even just living in rural areas. These encounters can range from a distant sighting to a more direct interaction, depending on the bear's individual behavior and the circumstances. Now let's talk about safety. When in bear country, it's essential to be bear aware. This means knowing what to do if you encounter a bear, such as making yourself look larger, making noise, and not running away. It's also crucial to store food properly to avoid attracting bears to human areas. But human-bear interactions aren't just about safety. They're also about understanding how our actions affect these magnificent creatures. Human activities like deforestation and urban development are shrinking bear habitats, forcing them to adapt to new environments, and often bringing them uncomfortably close to human settlements. Moreover, climate change, another human-induced phenomenon, is altering the availability of natural food sources for bears, leading to changes in their diet and behavior. For instance, some bears are now staying awake during winters, foraging in human garbage rather than hibernating. This is a two-way street though. Just as we influence bears, they also impact us, shaping our perceptions of the wilderness and contributing to our local ecosystems by controlling insect and rodent populations, and even helping to spread seeds across the forest. In the end, understanding these majestic creatures paves the way for coexistence and conservation. By acknowledging the complexity of our relationship with bears, we can better appreciate their role in our world and make more informed decisions to protect them. After all, their survival and ours are intertwined in ways both small and profound. Isn't it amazing how diverse and complex the world of North American bears is? From the majestic grizzly that roams the vast wilderness, to the versatile black bear living on the fringes of our towns, each species, each individual, has its unique tale. They inhabit a range of habitats from dense forests to icy tundras, adapting and surviving in the harshest of conditions. Their diet, far from just honey, includes a fascinating variety of plants, insects, fish, and even mammals. Their relationship with us humans, well, it's complex. Encounters can be awe-inspiring yet also challenging. But remember, each encounter is an opportunity to learn, to coexist, and to respect these incredible creatures. So let's celebrate the diversity of the bear kingdom. Let's respect their space, conserve their habitats, and appreciate their important role in our ecosystems. Remember, every bear has a story, and the more we understand, the better we can help them thrive in their natural habitats.